Africa. When we talk of Africa, greatest machine supplier, think of JCB. We have large inventory of genuine spare parts available, ex-stock, as well as fully equipped workshop with experienced service technicians. You can contact us for backhoe loaders, track and wheel excavators, compact excavators, stair loaders, compact equipment, telescopic loaders, generators and lighting towers. This is home of all modern machines. We are leader when it's come to quality. You can contact us on 0720 5995 33. 40 years going strong. We are located in Nairobi City, Babadogo Road, Ruaraka. You can visit our branches in Mombasa, Eldoret and Kampala, Uganda. We are introducing machines from the future. We are manufacturing future machines. Now, we have maintained track record in quality, design innovation. You can visit our website at www.jpe.co.ke. At Ganatra, we strive to give our customers a unique service by supplying high quality machineries. Live link is now in our machine. You can monitor your machine anywhere, anytime. Ganatra Plant and Equipments Limited, fully authorized dealer of JCB machines in East Africa since 1981.